Good morning, this is Ms. Billerbeck and we're going to do 8.1, points, lines, and planes. So point has position or location and it has no size. So normally we would make a point as a closed circle, but sometimes people make points as X's, very rarely in the US, but we usually use the solid point to designate a location. All right, let's talk about a line. So a line has an infinite number of points in both directions, goes both ways. It has no width and can be determined by 2 points. Okay, so if we have something floppy like this, we just have to hold it in 2 points to make it a straight line. Okay, so it's floppy, but if we want a straight line, we hold it in 2 points. All right, so a line can be straight or it can be curved. So here's how we would usually see a line, a straight line with AB for 2 points. And then here'd be a curved line with AB. So we would write line AB with a little line over the top. So that means line AB. When we talk about line segments, they're part of a line between 2 endpoints and have length. They have length. So we have A, B, and let's say it's 5 centimeters. So we would say the measure of line segment AB equals 5 centimeters. Okay, so let's talk about how we write different things with these. So if we have a bar or a line segment over AB, that means line segment AB. That's a thing, like Ms. Billerbeck is a person. Okay, AB without a line over it or a line segment means the measure of line segment AB. So Ms. Billerbeck is 5'2", and I think I'm still 5'2.5" inches tall. So that's my measure, but I am Miss Billerbeck. So this is the thing, this is the measurement, okay? So please make sure you know when to use both. This is naming the line segment. This is saying it's equal to some measure. When we talk about rays are part of a line segment with one endpoint. So if we have ray AB, so AB with a ray on the top with just one arrow pointing that direction is called ray AB. So we have ray AB here. But if we had changed the point names here and had B here at the endpoint and A here, it would be ray BA. So ray BA. So you have to look at where the endpoint is. That's where it begins. And this says where it's going off to infinity. When we talk about a plane is a flat surface. It has no thickness. So this would be a plane. We'd call it plane ABC. It could also be plane BAC or plane CAB or plane CBA. So there's a lot of ways you could name this plane with the 3 points. At least 3 points define a plane. So a plane is like these little boards that I use. Okay, except this board has some thickness, okay? But a plane has no thickness. And finally, let's talk about angles. It's part of the next section, but I want to make sure that you understand angles, the definitions of angles. All right, so an angle is a space usually measured in degrees or radians. You won't see radians until probably after your sophomore year in high school. But it's measured in degrees or radians between two intersecting lines, rays, line segments, planes, or surfaces. I missed a little r here, so let's put our s. There we go. So if I have two rays here, ray BA and ray BC, intersecting at a vertex, okay, so that would be a vertex, and we have two rays. The space between is 45 degrees apart. So we would say the measure of angle ABC equals 45 degrees, or 45 degrees, written like that. So this little m means the measure of. So the names of the angle, like Ms. Billerbeck is my name, so that'd be angle B, because we can name it by the vertex if there's no confusion. And here there's no confusion about what angle B is. Okay, angle ABC could be a name, or we could name it angle CBA. But if you notice, the vertex is always in the middle when we name an angle. So, for instance, if we had this angle here that we're looking at, when we name it, we can't name it angle B, because angle B could be here or it could be here. So there's confusion. So we can't just use angle B like this. Okay, so we can't name this angle angle B, but we can name it CBD or DBC, as long as we keep the vertex in the middle of the three letters. So this one, we would say the measure of angle CBD equals pi over 3 radians. So whenever you see pi, you are in radians, not degrees. And you, again, you won't see that for a long time, but I'm just showing you that because we're learning about angles. All right, so that's it for basic vocabulary. Have a wonderful day.